Hi everyone, and welcome back to our next EECS video tutorial series, which is on Lab 3. I'm Mohammed Azzouz, and in this set of videos, I'm going to go through each of the various aspects of Lab 3. Now, before we actually dive into what you'll be asked to perform in Lab 3, I'm going to spend quite a bit of time and review the frequency domain concepts that you've been learning in the past few weeks. So this includes topics related to the Fourier series analysis technique and why it's useful, Fourier transform, which is the equivalent of the Fourier series for non-periodic functions, and how we can determine the output of an LTI system when the input is an arbitrary periodic or non-periodic signal. Now, these videos do go into quite a bit of depth, so just keep in mind that although I do highly encourage you to go through the videos on Fourier series and Fourier transform, since these are very important topics in electrical engineering as a whole, that these videos don't directly apply to Lab 3 itself. Now, after discussing the Fourier series and the Fourier transform, I'll move on to discussing what you'll actually be doing in Lab 3, which is implementing an FSK digital receiver. I'll then go to the InLab portion where I'll build the frequency discriminator circuit, perform the various measurements in your lab handout, and then actually use the frequency discriminator to decode a message that has been encoded using binary frequency shift keying, also called binary FSK. And at the end, I'll discuss the key takeaway points from this lab, and I'll also briefly touch upon what you'll be asked to do in the post lab.